Hello everyone. So first of all, my name is Abdul Rauf and today I'm going to tell you about the transformer. This will be a short intro about it. So let's start with what are the transformers. So basically, transformers are the models which use or which are composed of encoders and decoders which are used to predict or generate new words in sequence. Okay, so these are very important. Transformers are very important in NLP tasks like translation, text generation, sentiment analysis, or tasks like these. So now you may have a question like what are the encoders and decoders? Well, don't worry, I will tell you about that. So let me go to the next page. So now here you can see encoders and decoders. So I also draw a graph here. So let's start with the graph. Now here you can see encoder take an input like any sentence or any word. After that, it try to find features in that input. After finding the features in that input, it give an output. You can see output. Output goes to the encoder, decoder take that input, and after taking that input, now you write output because that's the output of decoder. Take that output and try to find probabilities in that output. After finding the probability, it will create something new or generate something new from those features that encoders gave it. So basically, this is the relationship between encoders and decoders. Now, let's see what are tasks based on these models. So, depending on these models, the task will be if we use transformers with only encoders, we can classify the sentence like text classification. We can find the name with declaration. Name with declaration is simply like you get a sentence like row like ML. So now here row is name, like is simply means like is simply word. You can say a word. And ML is a subject. This will the model will try to find the names in it, names or locations in it, like both ML subject. They both will be output as the name. And for example, let's take an example. Row for Karachi. Now Karachi is place row is there. It will find both words and give output. Okay. So after that, if we use transformers only with decoders, then we can generate text like ChatGPT generate text or mass language models. Mass language models are simply you can think about them like a filling the blanks. You give a fill in the blanks to a model and the model will try to fill that blank. Basically, this is the language mass language model. Okay, after that we have the encoders and decoders. If we use both in a transformer, if we use both, mostly most of the models use encoders and decoders together. They don't use separately. So we use encoder and decoder both together. This is also called sequence model, which we can use to translation, summarization. Translator means translate the text. Summarization means converting a long text into a short text, but still saving the meaning. Okay, so these are the tasks depending on the models. Okay, after that, there is the very complex and annoying graph of the info of the encoders and decoders. There you can see there is a lot going inside them, but we didn't talk about that because it is a short video. But I am still understanding like you. But it is easy. You can say we use the software process, linear process. We can also see we get the inputs, outputs, and then there is a lot going behind it. We will try to understand in later videos, and we can also use transformers, and we see what is the how we can build a transformers upcoming videos. But for this now you can only see the so this is the brief paragraph brief diagram I will show you. So after that that's I have a last one topic I didn't talk about. This is the again attention mechanism. I didn't talk about this one. This is very simple. You can understand very quickly. Like what does attention mean? Like if you give attention to some people because they are important. Same goes here. If the model give attention to a specific word, pays a specific attention to a specific word for accurate sequence prediction, this is known as the attention mechanism. It is simple. You can simply see the definition. In transformer attention assign specific importance to a specific word for accurate sequence prediction. Very easy. So yeah, this was a very short video. I hope you understand. Sorry, my mic is little bit slow taking the voice, but it's fine. So I hope you like it. Thanks for watching the video. I will see you in another video. Bye.